No one can deny that 2020's been an unusual year. Thanks to the global pandemic, we've had to change the way we do almost everything. And there to take advantage of the disruption are the cybercriminals waiting to pounce. Here are some of the COVID-related scams that you and your team should watch out for, both at work and in your personal lives. Watch out for fake government grants or relief funds that are trying to get you to hand over personal details. Google it before you fill anything in. Fake test and trace notifications can get you onto bad websites, as can fake adverts for hand sanitizer and face masks. There are also lots of fake investment opportunities around at the moment, plus requests to update subscription details and even fake dating profiles. These scams are all designed to trick you out of your personal details or your money. Before you click any link or enter any information, always check for the following warning signs. Is the email address genuine? Is the spelling and grammar as you'd expect from a reputable organisation? Are you addressed by name or just referred to as customer? If you're still unsure, contact the company using the contact details you normally use, or visit their website and log into your account that way. You can also contact us for advice on how to protect your business's data from all scams.